Furnace replacement in Calgary. How do you know when to replace and how much does it cost? Probably the best thing to look at is the age of the furnace. As soon as your furnace is more than 10 years old, that furnace doesn't owe you anything. So you can proactively replace it, which is great because it avoids a failure at a time that you probably don't want it. Or you can look at just really recognizing that you've got the life expectancy out of the furnace and that at some point in time you're going to be separated somewhere between $3,000 to $9,000 worth of money. Proactively, I would definitely recommend having somebody give you an estimate on replacing the furnace so that you know, and then it gives you the opportunity to make that decision at that time. One of the best benefits of doing it proactively is you also have an opportunity to talk about options, to budget more effectively, and then take the opportunity to try to address comfort issues that may be in the house. These would be comfort issues like not enough humidity, breathing issues, indoor air quality issues, rooms that are too hot or rooms that are too cold because of their aspect ratio, like where they get too much sun or not enough sun. And if you're looking at proactively replacing your furnace, it gives you a lot more time to be able to do it when the weather's warmer and you're not under the gun from a weather or time perspective. And so we always recommend giving enough information up front to allow you to make decisions that are best for you over the long term.